Hi kids, welcome to Kids Fortune Play School and Coaching Center. How are you? Hope all are fine and safe at your places, home. Okay. Today I am going to teach you how to write alphabet letter so that it help to parents to teach their kids easily, voluntarily, without hectic. Without wasting time, let's start. Today I am going to show you letter C, uppercase or big letter C. For that you need to take 4 lines notebook because it helpful to kids to know the concept of writing in 4 lines book. So what you have to do is, I'm zooming it. See, from first line and third line you have to put 2 dots like this. After one line finished, you have to leave one. You have to skip this 4 lines, and after you have to put like this, so that easy to write. It's not look clumsy. So now I'm going to teach you. First you have to put dot like this. Now I'm going to teach how to write. See, like this. This dot and this dot, they have to write curve like this. LKG kids can easily write this stroke. For the beginners, it's little difficult to write this curve. For Montessori, for play school course, what you have to do? Put here also one dot. This is for Montessori kids or beginners because they don't know how to write from here to here. So you ask them to write like this. They easily came to know how to write C. You have to give practice like this. Full page, 1 page, and maximum you can give 2 to 3 pages because they easily understand how to write C letters or curves. Again I'm showing how to write. In my Montessori, I always teach first line strokes, then we have to move on curved stroke. That also will upcoming days I will do videos of that also. See, this is for Montessori girls, 2+. They can easily understand. After this practice you can give only 2 letters like this. This is big letters. Now I am going to teach you for LKG kids how to write small letter. For that you have to out of 4 lines you have to put second and third line dots like this. Have a look at here. Okay. Same strokes they have to use. They have to write within blue lines. They should not come down to red line like this. While giving training to your kids, you have to give pencil only pencil, not pen or color sketch pens वगैरह etc. All and there is a tips for kids and also parents. Give me small size, this much size pencil because they can hold easily and they know how to hold tip. Otherwise if you give, what happen, if you give long pencil, what happen, they hold it like this. Because I had seen many kids in our play school. If here in play school I am giving, they are practicing with short pencil. In home parents are giving long pencil, so they get confused. So I requested to parents give short pencil only. They can easily hold pencil on the tip, so they can easily write without any stress or messy. You have to give practice like this. See how nice it is. So thank you for watching my video. Before signing off, I requested all kids and parents, please subscribe my channel to get more updates videos. My next video is based on alphabet letters only, uppercase and lowercase G letter. Thank you for watching.